Your AI agent is stuck with stale data, but what if it could listen to live streams in real time? Today, I'll show you how to build an MCP server that exposes WebSocket data to any AI agent. MCP, or the Model Context Protocol, lets AI agents talk to external tools and data sources. Instead of pulling data on request, we can set up a server that pushes live updates over WebSockets, so agents always have the newest info. WebSockets keep a persistent connection open between client and server, making it perfect for live data like stock prices, chat messages, or sensor readings. MCP can wrap this connection into a simple tool call. Here's a minimal MCP server that connects to a WebSocket and exposes the latest message as a tool. This snippet uses the official MCP SDK and a simple WebSocket client. The agent can now call get_latest anytime and get the freshest data. This works for dashboards, live alerts, or anything that needs up-to-the-second info. Now you can give any AI agent a live data feed. Try it with your own WebSocket source, and let me know what you build in the comments.